everyone. So now we are going to start our next topic of mathematics for class 2nd. The face value and the place value of the digit of the number 53 and 146 are shown below. Like we are having this number 53 and this is your 146. We are having two numbers. The face value of this number is going to be 3 and the face value of this is going to be 5. Same. You just don't think about the position on which it is capped. Just write the number which is given to you. Okay. Now we are talking about place value. So this is on ones place. So we are just going to multiply 1 into it. So this is going to be a 3. This is the second number which is on tens place. So the place value of this is going to be your 50. Similarly, the face value of this is going to be 6. This second number is going to be 4 and the third number is going to be 1. And the place value 6 is going to be 6. The second number which is on tens place is going to be 40. And the third digit which is on hundreds place is going to be a 100. And this number is going to be a 146, which is written over here 146. Now we are going to write the expanded form of the number. We just need to write the place values of the individual number and we will just separate those place values using a plus sign or an addition sign in between those numbers. Like we are having, first of all, just write down the place values. Like the place value of this is going to be 3 and the second number is going to be a 60 and the third number is going to be a 100. What you should do is just put a sign of plus in between these numbers. So this is going to be 100 plus 60 plus 3. This is just the way to write the expanded form of the given number. First of all, just write down the place values of those numbers and just separate them using the sign of addition, which is this. Okay. Or you can write like this number this is your 1 which belongs to hundreds place. So I have written 100 plus this number belongs to tens place, so this can be written as 6 tens, and this number belongs to ones place, so we have written 3 ones. These are the two ways in which you can write the expanded form. Okay. So this 163 can be spelled as 163, which is the number name of this number. Okay. So this is the expanded form. Now we are having another example which is your 109. This can be expanded as, this is on hundreds place, so it can be written as 100. This is on tens place, so this is going to be a 0 tens. This is on ones place, so this is going to be a 9 ones. But when you are talking about the number, so this is going to be your 100 plus this, since this is your 0, and if you are multiplying any number with 0, so what you are going to get is 0. Okay. So just put 0 at that place. So we have written 0 and 9 is going to be your 9. So this is the another way of writing. And this number is going to be, the number name of this number is going to be a 109. That is your number name. So now we'll move to our next exercise, which is your exercise 2.2. In this we need to write the numbers into expanded form of the following numbers. One has been done for you. Like you can see that we have a number which is 115. If you are expanding it, for that, this is written on hundreds place, 100. This is on tens place, so 110, and this is on ones place, so this is your 5 ones. So this can be written as 100 plus 10 plus 5, which is the expanded form of this number. Similarly, like we are having this 187, so this can be written as this number 1 belongs to hundreds place, so this can be written as 100 plus, this is on tens place, so this can be written as 8 tens plus, this is written on ones place, so this can be your 7 ones, which can also be written as 100, which is your 100 plus 80, which is your 80 plus 7. Okay. So you can do the rest of the questions by yourself. Now the second question is filling the blanks with the standard form of the number. Now what we are going to do is, we are just having the expanded form with us. We are going to write the standard form of those numbers. Like you can see that we are having 100 plus 50 plus 9. As you can see that here we are having a 3-digit number, since ones place is also given to you, tens place is also given to you, and 100 place is also given to you. So the ones place is going to be a 9, tens place is going to be a 5, and hundreds place is going to be a 1. So the number is going to be a 159, which is 159. Okay. Similarly, in this number you can see that we are having the place values of 2 digits only, which is 105 only. We are not having any number on tens place. So for that, what you are going to do is, since we are not having any number at tens place, so we are just going to put a 0 at that place. Like we are having this 100, so what you are going to write is 1. After that, since you are not having any number at tens place, for that just put a 0. So we are going to put a 0. After that, we are having 5 on ones place, so we are going to write 5. Now the number which is going to form is 105, which is 105. Okay, so now you can do the remaining questions by yourself. Now the third question is, fill in the boxes with the place values of the digits and the given number. One has been done for you. What you are going to do is, you just need to write the place values of the digits which you are having. Like you can see that this is on ones place, so the place value of this is going to be 5. This is on tens place, so the place value of this is going to be 70. This is on hundreds place, so the place value is going to be 100. Okay. Similarly, when you are moving to this, we are having zeros on ones place, so what you are going to write is 0. After that, you are having 5, so what you are going to write is 50. After that, we are having 1, so what you are going to write is your 100. Now what you are having is, you are having the place values of a number. What you are going to do is, you just need to form a number with the help of the place values which are given to you. You can see that this is quite similar to that of the expanded form which we were doing earlier. Now you can see that this is on ones place, so what you are going to write is, just write 8 at ones place. You are having 0 at tens place. Since we are not having any number at there, so we are just going to put 0. After that, you are having 100, that means we are going to put 1 at hundreds place. So the number which is going to form is 108, which is your 108. Write the place values of the colored digit in each of the following number. What you should do is, you just need to write the place value of the colored digits. Like in this, the 9 is colored, so this is written at ones place, so the place value of this is going to be 9. Similarly, in this, you can see that the 9 is colored, which is written on the second place, which is at tens place, so the place value of this is going to be 90. Similarly, we are having 0 at which is colored, so which is written at tens place, but since it is 0, so we are just going to put 0 at the place value of this digit. Okay. So now our next topic is, you need to compare the numbers. Okay. For that, for the greater than and the smaller than, we have symbol this and this. Okay, what you are going to do is, you can see that we are having a mouth open at one side, and one side we are having a closed mouth. Like you are having this, so this is going to be a symbol, and this closed mouth is denoting your greater one, and this closed mouth is going to denote your smaller one. Okay, so for the great number which is greater one, we are just going to keep the mouth open of that symbol. Like you can see that 57 and 29. Among these two numbers, the number which is greater one is your 57. Okay, so what you are going to do is, you are just keeping the mouth open at that side, and you are going to put this symbol at in between these two numbers. This hungry fish also opens its mouth toward the greater number. As you can see that we are having the 69 and 75. Among the 69 and 75, which one is your greater number? Is your 75. So what you are going to do is, you are just going to keep your mouth open towards the larger number, which is your 75. If two numbers are equal, then place the equal to symbol, that is this. You are just going to put 2 dashes for that equal to symbol if you are having the same numbers on both the sides. So now we are going to compare the numbers who are having different digits. For that, what you are going to do is, like example number 1, Ravina is fond of reading. She just like reading books. She reads 137 pages on Monday and 58 pages on Tuesday. Okay, so Ravina have read 137 pages on Monday and 58 pages on Tuesday. On which day did she read more number of pages? So we are having 2 days, and on those 2 days, on Monday she have read 137 pages, and on Tuesday she have read 58 pages. So among these two numbers, which one is the larger one? How can you get that? A number with more numbers of digit will be the greater than the other one. If you are having two numbers, like first one is your 2-digit number and second one is your 3-digit number, then if you are having the number with different number of digits, then the number which is having more digits is going to be your greater number. Like you can see that in 58 we are just having 2 digits. One is your 5 and second one is your 8. Okay, so this is your 2-digit number. And in 137 we are having 3 digits, which is your 1, 3 and 7. So this is your 3-digit number. If in any number we are having more digits, number of digits than the second one, then the number which is having more digit is going to be your larger number. Okay, then you just need not to check the numbers or the digits which it is having, just count the number of digits. Here we are having 3 digits and here we are having 2 digits. So this is your larger number. Okay, we are having comparing number with same number of digits. Suppose like we are having the same digits, both of the number are of either of 2 digit or of 3 digits. Then what should we do is, like we are having compare 149 and 154. Here we are having 3 digits and here also you are having 3 digits. For that, what you are going to do is, first of all start checking from the 100 place value. Okay, so we, as you can see that on 100 place value of both the number we are having same digit. Since we are having same digit on both the 100 place value, so we cannot judge or find the correct answer from there. So now you are going to move to the tens place of the number. So that is, here the tens place value is 4 and here the tens place value is 5. Since this number is having larger tens value, so this number is going to be your larger number. If on the tens place also you are having the same number, then move to the ones place. Okay, first of all we are going to start checking from the 100 place. After that we'll move to the tens place and then after we will move to the ones place. Okay, so you can see that here both the digits are same, so we have moved to this number. Here this is 4 and here it is 5. So since 5 is the larger number, so this number is going to be the larger one as compared to 149. And as you can see that the symbol, the open mouth of the symbol is going to be at the side of 154, which is your larger number. Okay, so the next number is 192 and 197. Now just look at the ones place, hundreds place of these number, which is your 1, which is same. So just move to the next digit, which is your 9. Now again we are having same digits on the tens place. Like you can see that 9 and 9. So we cannot judge from here. So we'll move to the next place value, which is your ones. Okay, so at ones you can see that we are having 2 at this place and we are having 7 on another number. So since 7 is greater than that of the 2, so this is going to form a larger number. So we have kept this sign since 197 is greater than that of the 192. Okay, so we are having, since this exercise is based upon what we have learned till now, so what we are going to do is compare the pair of numbers by counting the number of digits one has been done for you. What you should do is, you just need to compare the numbers. Okay, as I have told you, if any number in any number, the number of digits are greater than that of the another one, then the number which is having greater digits is going to be your larger number. Like here we are having 1-digit number and this is your 2-digit number. Okay, so this is definitely going to be a larger one. Similarly, this is your 2-digit number and this is your 3-digit number. So just don't check the numbers or digits of that number, just count the digits 1, 2 and here we are having 3. So this is going to be a larger one. Similarly, here we are having 3 digits and here you are having just 2 digits. So this is going to be your larger number. Okay. Now similarly, what you are going to do is, now we are having the numbers with same digits. Okay, same number of digits. Here also you are having 3 digits, in this also you are having 3 digits. What now what we are going to do is, just start checking their place values. Here the place value of 100 is same, which is your 1. Next we are going to check the tens place value, which is your again same, since we are having 8 on tens place of both the number. Then just check out the third place value, which is going to be your ones. So this is your 5 and this is your 0. Since this 5 is greater than that of the 0, so this number is whole is greater than that of the 180. Okay. Similarly, like you can see here, we are having two numbers. First one is your 185. Second one is your 167. So first of all, we are just going to check the 100 place value, which is having the same digit 1. Move to the next number, which is your tens place. In first number we are having 8 on tens place, and in this number we are having 6 on tens place. So since this 8 is greater than that of the 6, so this whole number is going to be greater than that of the 167. So this, we are just going to keep this sign over here. third question is ring the greatest number. What you are now, you need to compare among the three numbers. I am having, or three numbers are given in front of us. Among those three numbers, you need to find out the largest number. Okay, so 152, 198, 105. As you can see that we are having 111 on the 100th place, so we cannot judge it. Now move to the second tens place. Here we are having 5, here you are having 9 on tens place, and here you are having 0. So among 5, 9 and 0, 9 is going to be your largest one. So this whole number is going to be your greatest number. So you just need to circle that number. Okay. The next question is, you need to ring the smallest number. As you were doing for the greater one, you can also do that same thing for the smallest one also. Okay. So now we are having order of number. You can either arrange the numbers in smallest to biggest, smaller to bigger, or from bigger to smaller in any sequence the question is asking you. Okay. Now increasing order, or you can say ascending order. If you are having arranging the numbers in a sequence of smaller to bigger, then that is known as your ascending order, or you can say in increasing order. Okay. So means arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. Here you are having 60, which after that we are having 85, and this is 110, and this is 142. You can see that we are continuously increasing the size of the ball, and the number are also increasing. Okay, so this is your increasing order. Second one is your decreasing order, or which is also known as descending order. So decreasing order is we are going to arrange the numbers in the sequence of bigger to smaller. Okay. So first of all we are having 125, after that we are having 76, after that we are having 32, and then we are having 14. So first of all we were having bigger, then smaller, and then the smallest one. So this is going to be your descending order or the decreasing order of the numbers.